How to easily scan Brawl Star mobile QR code. So first, open Brawl Stars, launch the Brawl Stars app on your mobile device. Make sure it's opened to the or it's updated to the latest version for compatibility. Number two, go to the Friends section. On the main screen, tap on the Social Friends icon. It's usually located on the right side of the screen. This section allows you to add friends or connect with players via QR code. Number three, select Add Friends by QR code. Look for the option to add friends by QR code or something similar. Tap it to open the QR scanner with the app. Number four, point your camera at the QR code. So align your device's camera with QR codes you want to scan. Ensure the QR code is clear and well lit for the scanner to detect it. Number five, confirm the connection. So once the QR code is scanned, you will see the player's profile or a related action. Confirm to complete the process. Number six, enjoy the game. Now you can connect with friends or claim special rewards tied to the QR code. So this is some tips for troubleshooting. Lighting matters. Make sure the QR code is visible and not in a dark or overlaid bright area. Check the internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection while using the QR scanner. Restart the app. If the scanner doesn't work, close the app and reopen it. So this is how to scan Brawl Stars mobile QR codes. If you find this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.